When people look at bond, one of the first thing they notice is its rating. You might see labels like AAA, AA, triple B or lower ratings and wonder what they are actually mean. Well, bond ratings are designed to answer a very specific question. How likely is the issuer to meet its debt obligation on time? In other words, bond ratings are about credit risk. A bond rating is provided by an independent credit agency. In India, these agencies are CRISIL, ICRA, Indian Rating, and CARE. These agencies analyze the issuer's financial position, business model, cash flow, and debt level, and other relevant factors. Based on these analysis, they assign a rating to the bond. The rating reflects the agency's assessment of the issuer's ability and willingness to pay interest and repay the principal as promised. What a bond rating is not. It is important to understand what a bond rating is and what it is not. A bond rating is not a guarantee. Ratings are expressed using letter-based scales. At the higher end, the scale are the ratings such as AAA, AA. These indicates a relatively strong capacity to meet debt obligations. As you move down the scale, ratings such as A or triple B indicated increasing level of credit risk. Ratings below investment grade indicate a higher probability of stress or default as assessed by the rating agency. The exact symbols and modifier may differ slightly between agencies, but broad hierarchy remains similar. One important point to remember is that rating apply to a specific bond issue, not to the company as a whole. The same company can have multiple bonds with different ratings. This depends on factors such as security, maturity, and seniority. Ratings are not static. They can change over time as the issuer's financial condition, business environment, or debt profile changes. When a rating is upgraded, it means the agency believes the credit risk has reduced. When a rating is downgraded, it means the agency believes the credit risk has increased. These changes are formally communicated through rating announcements. Another important concept related to rating is the relationship between risk and return. In general, bonds with higher credit risk tend to offer higher yield. Bonds with lower credit risk tend to offer lower yields. This is because investors demand compensation for taking an additional risk. However, yield is influenced by many factors, and rating is the only one part of overall picture. Finally, it is important to view bond rating as a starting point, not a conclusion. They help standardize and compare credit risk across bonds, but they do not replace the need to understand the bond structures, terms, and disclosure. Bond ratings are tools for clarification and risk signaling. Bond ratings are tool for classification and risk signaling. They help bring consistency to the bond market, but they are not guarantee of performance. Understanding what a rating represents and its limitations is essential for interpreting bond information correctly. With the whole understanding in place, in the next video, we will look into at the benefit and the risk of investing in bonds.